모르겠어. 모르겠어. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 모르겠어. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 319. 모르겠어. 모르겠어. This pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is mo, second syllable is 르, third syllable is gets, and fourth syllable is o. And if it is pronounced as a hu, it becomes 모르겠어. Again, it's 모르겠어. The meaning of the word 모르겠어 is I don't know. Again, 모르겠어 means I don't know. And as shown, this is an informal way of saying I don't know. Now, how do we write 모르겠어 in Hangul? It is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable mo, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an o character. For the second syllable 르, we need to draw first a real character followed by an u character. For the third syllable, we need to draw first a giok character followed by an e character followed by a sang siyot or double siyot character. And then for the last syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang followed by an o character. So that's four syllables. And in order to write the word 모르겠어 in Hangul, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these four syllables. And again, if these four syllables are read as a whole, it becomes 모르겠어. And with that, you've just learned 모르겠어. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 309 to 318. But don't forget our word for today, word number 319, it's 모르겠어. This is an informal way of saying I don't know. The first word for our review is word number 318, it's 생각해, which means I think. Next word for our review is 대단해, which means awesome. Next word is 행복해, which means happy, or this could also be used to say I'm happy. Next word for our review is 예뻐요, which means pretty. Next word for our review is 비싸요, which means expensive. Next word is 식당, which means restaurant. Next word is 은행, which means bank. Next word for our review is 받다. This is a verb which means to receive. Next word is 부탁합니다, and this could be used to say, please do me a favor. And the last word for our review is 이상해요. This is used to say strange or weird. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.